Vantage Point and what it can do, you need to contact those numbers. If I can answer any questions about the markets that I've talked about or any other markets, give some opinions, I will try to do that, or any opinions about breakout type of trading. But if you have Vantage Point types of questions, you'll see the information there, and Darrell will talk to you about the click here feature there in a little bit. So if you have any questions, fire away. I'll take a few that I can in the limited amount of time that is available. See what we can come up with. Any questions? Okay, not seeing any questions, so I've either baffled you or answered every question you ever had. Again, as I said, it's a breakout strategy is something that can be applied to any market. A lot of different types of technical analysis indicators like trend lines or highs, lows, whatever you care. My preference is to use or develop some kind of a channel, a predicted highs and lows from Vantage Point, which I have found more useful than trying to predict or suggest where that trend line ought to be. So that's why I showed you the examples using Vantage Point with the predicted highs and lows. Well, I am seeing no questions, and so I think what I will do is I will turn this back to Darla. Thank you for attending. We have several other webinars coming up over the next few months, and some are strategy-oriented, some of them are market-oriented, and we hope you'll be with us for those webinars. As it's kind of the end of my time today, I'd just like to thank you for attending this webinar. Look forward to seeing you at future webinars. Back to you, Darla.
Thank you, Darrell. Our audience can do a very small gesture in thanking Darrell for the presentation. On the drop-down menu where you were choosing agree and disagree, you do have an applause option there. We really thank him for spending some time with us today. Now, you'll find today's webcast on Trader Planet later this afternoon, and we have made arrangements to email the link to everyone in this audience. If you are interested in seeking further information on Vantage Point Intermarket Analysis software, just select the Click Here link on this final slide. This will place a request with our friends at Market Technologies for free market forecasts and additional information on their trading software that Darrell has featured in this presentation. This concludes today's webinar session. Thank you for attending, and all of us here at Trader Planet wish you a pleasant evening.